It's like David versus Goliath. The Goliath is the desert, and I am David.
Oh, you took off a little soon.
Well, he told me to fucking go.
Fail or succeed, whatever. Just fucking go for it.
I don't know if this is good or bad, but we're having a great fucking time.
It is Monday morning, right? At the Paglia Ranch. We're here ready to start MV18.
This week, you're taking care of you. Okay, this is about you this week. Absolutely.
Philip Idavaya from Los Angeles. Out here today to get the breath of adventure back into me and the spirit of adventure. And this place has it in spades. It's awesome times 10.
All right, guys, we're at the most exciting part for the guests. They're gearing up right now. They're racing to put their knee pads on. They're about to get on the bikes. This is the moment where they either give it all throttle or all brake. So we get to learn their abilities and divide them up into groups. So here we go.
My name is François Béliveau. I'm from Canada, Quebec, Montreal. Okay. And I'm looking to have an amazing time with you guys to ride the bikes and push some dirt.
My name's Gary Bouch. I'm from Southern Indiana, across from Louisville, Kentucky. I've never ridden a motorcycle, so I showed up 2 days early and started the training. Trained on Saturday, trained on Sunday. Way more confident than I thought I'd ever be. And really what I'm looking forward to is just doing something I've never done before, taking some risk. I've never taken any risk because I was raising my kids when they were young and making sure I never did anything to jeopardize that. So now that I'm retired, I finally have an opportunity to start doing some fun things I wish I had done years ago. In fact, after doing this now, I wish I'd gotten a motorbike when I was like 12 or 14. It'd be a lot easier to fall and get back up.
I'm excited to get back on the dirt. It's been years for me, man. So I'm just excited to get out there in the desert and ride the dirt.
Here we are at the 18th ALIV Tour. We're taking you from nothing to something, baby. From zero to hero.
I've never been on dirt before, and we're able to go from like scared of bikes to going over berms like day one. It's been incredible.
I just like getting those turns at the beginning. They were a little intimidating, but after a little while I was like, yeah, rep, and all of a sudden finding the flow, that 390 KTM, man, that is a choice piece of machinery.
Sexy 1.2.
We are dipshits! We are dipshits! Why? Are we living? We are alive! Are we living? We are alive! Ooh! Don't talk to me! We are 18 countries so!
Ottawa, waiting on these little fucks to come down the mountain.
No, it's your birthday.
Oh, it's my birthday too.
Yeah, birthday. Yeah, we just came down the hill from Idlewild. Absolutely beautiful day. No cars in front of us, just a free run down the hill. It was amazing.
got a little sweet for the next 2 nights.
All right, how was the ride up?
The ride was great, man, great. Hey, they wasn't kidding about that wind. That wind gets for real, it gets windy. It blows you around pretty good.
We made it out to Johnson Valley, showing the groups all the different areas that we have. This, of course, is a really popular spot with sort of this sand dune jump. We're gonna finish up a 2-hour ride here today. And once we get back, it's time for them ice baths.
All right, dude. Thoughts are getting warm when you hopping in.
Fuck that. I'm coaching.
Coaching?
I'm coaching hard over here, dude. I'm here for moral support. Hey, you're in 8 minutes. Sheesh.
Thanks, man.
We're in the freaking desert. Fucking desert. Lunch and shit.
Holy fuck! It's not a rodeo. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Not 8 seconds.
That's very good.
Your best birthday wishes for ALIV.
Absolutely. I can think of no better way to bring in the next year than hanging out with some fucking rad boys. So, cheers to you guys. It's been awesome today.
Yeah, Ryan.
Best boys in the biz. Thanks for celebrating with me.
Happy birthday!
All right, here we are, day 3. We're in Johnson Valley. Once again, we're gonna have 2 riding sessions today, but this morning is when the shit gets real. We got some really tough rocky hills. Then we're heading over to my favorite place. We got this badass canyon we're gonna go down. A group ride's not gonna be easy, but it's gonna be so worth it.
So what do we think about the riders so far, Trev?
I would say so far, I'm looking out in the distance, I'm seeing about 27 pussies. But I think on day 3, we might be able to whip them into shape.
A little bit. I haven't seen much that is giving me hope, but I think just maybe we might turn a couple of these guys into men.
Yep, B is looking like C is looking like D, but the rest are looking like E.
I gotta tell you, A's fucking doesn't have it.
A does not have it.
I don't know what coaching A's getting, but they're really not what you think they are.
Today is break-in day.
It's break-in day.
Today is break-in day, and we're gonna break them in. And I promise you, you're not gonna regret it.
Louis, tell me what's going on, dude.
Well,
what are we looking at?
Because I'm such a good friend.
Yeah.
I figured Chris wanted a view, right? So the least I could do for my friend is give him a view, right? So I gave the guys a little bit of money, and I asked them nicely to get Chris's tent relocated, and yeah, that's what he gets for fucking with me.
Nice. Let's see what Chris has to say about this.
Simo, I heard you got relocated, broski.
Yeah, I pulled in and I went, oh, look at that, someone's tent's up there. And I went, oh no, that's my tent.
Oh, fucking no.
Hey, you mess with Uncle Lou, he gives it back 10 times as hard.
Dude, he gave it back. Yeah, that's a killer spot though. It's a
I mean,
cross
honestly,
between being
it'd be
badass
pretty
and
nice
just...
up there tonight, you know?
Yeah.
Closer to the stars.
I know, you could do a special invite only.
Launch some fireworks off for the boys up there.
I like it, man. I like it. Just start early for breakfast.
Welcome and alive to the ALIV Worldwide Kamikaze Suicide Mission.
We're launching people off of Dune, 100 feet in the air. I don't know if this is good or bad, but we're having a great fucking time.
So here we are at the Hill Climb Challenge. As usual, it's a little chaotic, but never a dull moment. For sure, C&D guys are shredding it, and looks like everyone's having a blast.
Bro, stay still. Just took a little romp.
What group are you in? I'm in group C. Yeah, oh, no. We haven't. You took off a little soon. Well, you told me to fucking go.
Oh. Who did? Who did? Did I entertain? Yeah.
We're having one of my favorite dishes tonight. It's my slow roasted ribs that I made growing up with my mom.
My name is Travis Quist. I'm an 11-year stuntman in film and television, and I'm also a tour guide for the ALIV Worldwide multi-venture for about a year and a half now. What I really like about it the most, though, is just the relentlessness that these guys have when it comes to riding. I want to say 90% of these guys have never seen a desert in their life, so when they see this, you can see that glimmer in their eye of what the hell am I getting myself into? Until they get out there, and then just watching them slowly progress into like a better rider. It's really fun to watch for me as a tour guide to just stay behind these guys and watch them progress, and I love it.
If you don't try, you're never gonna face that fear. I never rode a dirt bike before, I've never been on sand. I knew I was gonna go down, and I loved it. I would love to do it again. It's a challenge, definitely a challenge, but like I feel like you're gonna miss out if you don't do it. You have to do it, and the guys over here, they help you. And I'm finding myself to like do things that I would never done by myself, I would have never done back home. And over here, you get to do everything. You get pushed the right way, you get encouraged to do the right thing. And the corrections are amazing. And you see like everybody else around you has the same kind of struggle. Everybody helps each other, everybody brings each other up, and I'm loving every second of it.
Everybody from our leaders to the staff, you know, many of us aren't in business. Their ability to meet you where you're at and personalities, you should all be very successful and enjoy whatever dreams you want to accomplish because you are the right people to do it. And I'm proud to have attended this. And all the guys here, all of your stories, everybody's got something so interesting to talk to you about. It has been the trip of a lifetime, and I wish you all the best success. I hope this carries on for years and years and years.